Okay. What did you do in school?
I played.
What did you play with?
I played with toys.
Which kind of toys?
Kitchen.
What kind of toys? The kitchen?
Yeah, our kitchen. I got cook food.
Did you also play outside?
No, no.
Are you sure you didn't go outside? Did you take Mr. Bear outside?
My Mr. Bear does.
You didn't take your Mr. Bear outside?
And he inside.
He was inside?
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat lunch?
Mm-hmm.
What did you eat?
Strawberry and peas.
Peas and strawberries?
And macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese, was it good?
Yeah, and a bun too. And a bun too. And a bun too, Mommy.
In a bun?
Yeah.
Oh, did you have bread?
No, no. I didn't have a baking kitchen.
Oh, you made it in the kitchen?
No, I just pooped.
Yeah, you pooped your pants, didn't you? How come you didn't tell your teacher? What else did you do? Did you take a nap?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A mini one.
You took a nap on your mini sheets?
Uh-huh.
Did Mr. Bear take a nap too?
Yeah. And a blanket too. I just have my blanket up.
Yeah? Were your teachers nice today?
Yeah, and kids nice too.
The kids were nice too? Did you do anything else? Did you sing?
No. I didn't know.
Did your teacher sing?
No.
No? Did you sit on the couch today?
I took another couch.
Did you share it?
No.
Why not?
Remember? I just took another one.
Why don't you swallow that before you eat anymore, okay? Did you do anything else today?
I did play.
Just played? Did you play on the slide?
No.
On the swing set?
I know that. I need to play kitchen.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Are you going to go back tomorrow?